In this segment, we're going to talk about different jets, what they do, and how to swap them in and out. Typically, the smaller the hole size, the more pressure you're going to get, the more deep tissue massage you're going to receive. The larger the hole size, the more broad, and it's going to be get on a wider range on your back, but maybe not be as targeted. You can also rotate jets in and out if they do wear out, or if you just need to change them out for upgrading reasons. For example, what you do is you can turn the jets on or off in most cases. To turn them off, you rotate them to the right. To turn them on, you rotate them to the left. To get them out, you push them all the way to the left, and they pop out. So this is the back side of the jet. You can see the front side of the jet, and also the jet housing. So you can interchange different housings of the same size, whether they're 5-inch jets like this one is. Also, this one is a different style, as you can see. Also a 5-inch jet. So again, follow the same thing. Pull it out, and I could rotate these in and out, putting a different style of jet into this location.